The first 2 episodes of Ahsoka just came out, and oh my goodness, they were freaking mind-blowing. I loved them both, and so I figured we gotta start pushing out the Ahsoka content. She's my favorite character. We literally just made merch of her on shop.clinkerscloset.com. Dang, that was a really nice plug. That felt so smooth and fluid. But yeah, really high quality shirts, super stretchy and soft. Great for those hot days in August. Go check it out, link in the description. So like I said before, we're drawing Ahsoka Tano. Let's not waste any more time. See you guys on the other side. All right, so first things first is we're gonna be drawing the head and the face of Miss Ahsoka Tano. So keep in mind, anytime you draw a face, anytime I draw a face, it's just really difficult. There are a couple mess ups in this video, so remember to draw and sketch lightly so that if you mess up, you can erase it and it's gone without a trace. So we've got the head and the basic jawline down. Now we're going to move on to the bridge of the nose. Rosario has some wider nostrils as well as some larger eyes. So we're going to want to make sure to capture that and do the best that we can to make it look like Miss Rosario Dawson, who is amazing as Ahsoka, might I add. And don't forget to make the eyes look a little bit more lifelike. So we're going to add a little sparkle in there as well when we get there. I ended up not really liking how the lips looked the first time, so I'm going to erase those and redo them, make them a little bit thinner. I just think it looks more natural. Whew, we finally got that first part done. Always the hardest part is trying our best to match that likeness, because in the end of the day, you know, that's maybe the most important part of a portrait. So now we're going to be moving on to the montrals or the leku or whatever they're called for Ahsoka species. I know it kind of like switches between Twi'leks and all that stuff, but basically you want to make it look like skin, but also have a flowy texture like hair. So there's a middle ground in there that we're going to try to meet. So we've got those basic shapes down for Ahsoka's head. Now we're going to move on to her neck and the rest of her body. For this particular look, since she's wearing her poncho a lot in these first 2 episodes, we're going to draw that poncho. I think it looks so cool, and in this particular sketch, we're going to have it kind of blowing in the wind and making it look a little bit like samurai Ronin-esque.
Soldier Rex.
And because it's blowing in the wind, we're going to have some of the underclothing showing through. So we're going to do her belt that's right underneath her chest. And we're going to draw on that cool little ring buckle. And then just some really basic details to make it look like there's some fabric and some folds going on there. I'm not getting too detailed with this sketch. Just something to keep it simple, but still look awesome.
Soldier Rex.
And now that we're mostly done with the poncho, we're going to be moving up to the head again and making those blue lines or shapes that are on Ahsoka's leku, or her gummy sharks as I like to call them. They just always looked like that to me. But it's such a great part of Ahsoka's character design, is having that orange skin and the blue and white to contrast against it. I love that part of her design. And now that we've finished that part of her leku, we're just going to go ahead and add in the hood. That's something that I forgot to add in before when we were drawing the poncho. I just think it adds that bit of dimension, and there's something behind her. It looks a little bit more, less flat. And then the last step, sign your artwork. Thank you so much for watching this video, and comment down below which character you want to see drawn next. On your way out, check out shop.clankerscloset.com. You will not regret it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next week. May the Force be with you always.